If your Samsung refrigerator is not cooling properly, forming ice in unusual areas, or making strange noises, the evaporator thermistor could be the culprit. I'm William with AppliancePartsPros.com, and today I guide you through testing and replacing this important component. Don't worry if this is your first time working on an appliance. It's easier than you might think. Let's get started. With over 2 million products in stock and the know-how to help you do it yourself, we are AppliancePartsPros.com. For today's work, we'll need a multimeter, a phillips screwdriver, and a flathead screwdriver. Always disconnect your refrigerator by unplugging it or turning off the breaker unless live voltage testing is necessary. With the power safely disconnected, we're ready to dive into troubleshooting. We're going to test using the wires found in the main control. Remove the screws securing the control access panel and set the panel aside. Locate wire connection CN30 and disconnect it from the main control. Also locate connection CN50 and identify the gray wire at pin 9, which will be used as the common wire for testing. Grab your multimeter and set it to ohms, which looks like an upside down horseshoe. One of the best tools that you can have in your toolbox is a multimeter, and we'd love to show you how this device works and how you can benefit from using it. Check out the video in the description. Using the gray wire at connection CN50 pin 9 as your common, test to the orange wire at CN30 pin 6. At room temperature, you should see a resistance reading between 5.19K to 5.58K ohms. If the evaporator is frozen over, the resistance should be greater than 16K ohms due to the lower temperature. With your resistance reading noted, inspect the evaporator for frost buildup. Go into the fresh food compartment and remove all shelves and crisper bins. Locate the crisper shelf and press in on the 2 locking tabs while lifting the front of the shelf. Once the front is lifted off the filter housing, pull the shelf forward and remove it. Using a flathead screwdriver, remove the screw cover near the top of the shelf rail on the evaporator cover. Remove the screws securing the evaporator cover, then carefully separate the cover from the liner. Remove the evaporator cover and disconnect the wire harness from the liner. If the evaporator is encased in ice but the thermistor did not show the expected high resistance, the evaporator thermistor has failed. If the evaporator is not iced over and the thermistor readings are within the expected range, something else is causing your refrigerator to not cool properly. Disconnect the evaporator thermistor harness from the liner wall. Then carefully remove it from the mounting bracket on the evaporator. Here's the old evaporator thermistor and here's the new one. If you've already got one, great. If not, you can pick one up at AppliancePartsPros.com. Reconnect the evaporator cover wires to the refrigerator wall. Secure the evaporator thermistor to the mounting bracket on the evaporator. Reconnect the fan wires to the refrigerator wall. Press the evaporator cover back into position and secure it with the screws that were removed. Reinstall the top rail cover. Install the crisper shelf and press the water filter housing up to lock it into place. Reinstall the shelves and bins. Move to the main control area and secure the access panel in place. Plug the power cord back into the outlet. With that, the repair is complete. Great job tackling the evaporator thermistor replacement. We hope this guide helped you get your Samsung refrigerator back in prime condition. Let us know how your repair turned out in the comments below. We'd love to hear your experiences. If you'd like a little more diagnostic assistance, be sure to visit our forum page where you can get answers from our technicians. Links in the description. If you find you need any replacement parts, just remember you can visit AppliancePartsPros.com with your model number. Most orders arrive within a couple of days. Thanks for trusting us with your repair journey, and we look forward to helping you with your next project.